Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your 2018 Toyota Corolla CE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a stunning alpine white. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 15-inch wheels. You also have your power adjustable side mirrors as well as your fully automatic headlights and your pre-collision system right on the front there as part of your Toyota safety sense. Unlocking your Corolla, let's take a look now at the inside. An absolutely sporty and stunning interior. You have that black trim as well as your power windows and your power locks. On the side, you have your power adjustable side mirrors, that very cool fan detailing that we love about our Corollas, and you have your all-weather floor mats specially fit to your sedan to keep things nice and clean. You also have your two-tone light gray soft interiors all throughout that really just tie all of that sporty style together. But why don't we hop on in and start it up. Starting up your Corolla, simply put your key into the ignition there. Dashboard's gonna light up for you with that really cool ambient lighting. You have your information display as well as all your steering wheel mounted controls like your hands-free calling, voice command, your volume control, and mode changers. You also do have your features as part of your Toyota safety sense like your lane departure alert and your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can set distances and timing from right below there. Checking out your stunning LCD screen, a very modern style to it. You have your AM/FM radio as well as your CD player on top. You also do have your USB auxiliary input and your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you want to go. Your backup camera also does show up right there as well, which is a very nice feature, especially when you want to keep everybody nice and safe. Below, you have your climate control knobs with that stunning chrome detailing as well as your USB and auxiliary input, some storage below, and you have that leather trim to tie all of that sporty style together on your shift knob. You have your traction control down there as well as your parking brake. Your cup holders do come with that removable piece, so it's nice and easy to keep clean. And with your center console, you have that top shelf for any smaller items, and below that mat does come out for easy cleaning and maintenance. Inside your glove box, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla and storing anything else you want in your vehicle. You also do have that cool leather trim on the top, that nice fan detailing, just tying everything together and not compromising any of your tech savvy and style. But why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Opening up that trunk area of your Corolla, you can either use the trunk release at your driver position or you can use your key. You have plenty of space to store everything that you need, as well as your 40/60 split folding seats for any convertible storage. Below, you have your hardcover, which has your spare tire, your tools, and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road there. Closing it up now. Below, you have your backup camera as part of your Toyota safety sense. And we'll take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla CE. With your lane departure alert, with steering assist as well as your brake assist as part of your star safety system, you'll definitely be driving away in comfort. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive, see how it fits into your lifestyle. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. And until I see you next time, drive safe.